little minnow swim.
Oh, Joey, there's a bluegill.
Oh, he's right on you, son.
Is he?
Oh,
Huge.
yeah. He's chasing it.
It's a monster, Joey. Be careful.
Is it really?
Oh yeah. I think she's a good 0.1 pound.
0.1 pound. That might have been the serious dark long object I saw earlier. Mm-hmm. Go, Jack. The
Huge one.
tiniest perch of
That's
them
a
all.
Huge one.
What a monster, man. It's probably the one I just lost.
Nice little big bait right there.
Yeah, that's perfect for musky bait. Yeet. It's good bass bait. Nice floppy minnow.
Oh, there he is. There's something a little better size.
It's a bass.
Nice.
Oh!
Not anymore.
Yeah, you should have to look.
Well, yeah, I guess you're right, but well, it would have been cool to look at them, touch them. No homo.
Got any fish in there or what?
I don't know. There's something wrong with. Did you file down my hooks, Jack? So they're barbless. I was just letting him take it so he wouldn't come off again. That's what I was doing. I definitely. All right, yeah. He's on the boat, boys. Eat it. Eat it. Here we go. Finally,
Is that one a bass?
perch.
Pretty decent.
This is about average. Probably mine.
Nice.
Look at that. Look at that Jimmy boy.
You're getting a little bit of action.
Yeah.
Took it, but.
Right there.
Huh?
Another fish.
Oh, what a premium flip you just did there. Oh. Did I just really miss that thing again?
What are you gonna do?
It did. Maybe I need some croissant.
Yeah, croissant.
A croissant. Maybe I need a croissant. A croissant. Oh, yes. I still do.
Huge and
Oh, it's massive. Oh, see, Jack, what is wrong with my hooks, man? Ah, getting all the camera gear, battery pack all wet. Oh. Oh, what a monster, Jack. Look at this. This thing is so big. That's what she said. We're just going over that curb, I think, that's why. Yeah, I believe so.
5, 6, 2, 3.
Ooh. Yeah.
huge and
A pumpkin seed on a minnow. That makes sense.
Pretty cool.
pretty nice color though.
Yeah, these are some...
Cream.
Oh, you don't.
Wasn't too small.
That's bigger.
What is that, bass?
Yeah. Are you serious? What is wrong with this stupid hook? I'm about to change this boy. That was a big bass.
Need a filer.
I think I do. These are brand new hooks too. Yeah, it's a good thing we got more of them. Because this thing is obviously garbage.
Oh, I caught a lot of fish on hooks last week.
Piece of junk, man.
There you go. Jumpy Jack's
There you
got one
go,
on the boat.
Jackie. Perch. It's about average here, man. That thing's huge. That's what she said.
Doubled up.
Yeah, boy. Oh. I can see one taking it.
Oh, fish on, is he on the crib?
Wrap me
You
in
caught a
that
crib.
crib. No, I have one on, but he wrapped me in that crib.
Hold on, what
Do you
happened
have
over
a
there?
fish?
I'll get you over there.
But is there a fish?
Oh.
Just let him sit there. It might
I think it just
untangle
came
himself.
off, maybe.
He might untangle
There's a
himself.
crib right there, too.
Oh, it's
Impressive.
still pulling though.
No way.
See if you can wind him a little.
Yeah, just wait. Let him sit there. He might untangle himself.
We're heading that way. We'll get him all right.
How do you? That's impressive.
The fish got
Been working on doing that thing.
I don't think that might be the first time I've seen that happen.
oh, man.
Oh, he's taking it too. He's taking it in there, man. Pull it up. Oh, he's deep in there.
Oh gosh, he's going deeper. Oh, it's a big bass.
Is it?
Oh yeah, I see it.
Alright, Jack, you got a giant bass in there.
You tell me which way, boys. You got to stop.
I'll be
Yeah,
willing
stop
to.
right here.
I'll be willing to swim in there if you want. Ow. Hang on, I got a fish flopping around, boy. I did some muskie.
It doesn't look like a bass. Look at it. You seen that?
I think I see what you mean.
And that fish right there.
Just grab it.
Can you use this oar right here?
Oh, I can hold you, man. Alright, I'm gonna smack this boy with an oar.
You just poke at him and get him to move.
Oh, shoot, he's taking the line.
I can pull him. What kind of line is on this?
Oh god.
Oh, it's a giant bluegill.
Oh my.
Oh,
Holy cow.
that's a tank. How do you do it, man?
No.
Wait, is that? No,
There you
that's
go.
that's a warmouth.
Yeah, I was just trying to say, I think it's one mouth.
Yeah, that's a warmouth, man.
Crap.
Oh, he choked it.
Did he really? Choke it.
What a hook that Joey.
That is a big bass,
Nice
actually.
bass. Alright, Joey.
Boat flip, boys. No, that's not nice. Well, actually, for Pennsylvania, it is.
It looks better in the water.
Yeah, it did look a little bit better. That's why we stopped getting bites. This Jimmy was in there. Alright, he doesn't want a gray swirlies, I guess. I watched him eat it for like 5 seconds, man. I saw the hook sticking out of his mouth, and I waited for him to suck it in, and he still didn't eat it.
I'm gonna go back to my minnow.
Are you serious? That thing was in his mouth. I can see them. Well, Perch has it now.
Oh,
Got him that time. Are you what?
I saw that.
I am confusion.
I see a little perch right there.
You gotta nail him, Jack. There's also a little bass in there too. Oh wait, no, he's still on there. What? How?
He got on there again.
He ate it. He ate it again. Yeah, double up again. Oh, that was a big bass just jumped.
I don't even think
Let's put this Jimmy back. Guess not. He just sneezed. They're cruising, man.
dude, that thing was zooming.
Yeah, just thanks for cutting us off the rod. What is that deep sea rod on the back? You see that, boy?
What's that?
Do you see the deep sea rod he's got on the back? Did they?
Oh, that's, yeah, they don't. We can't pull that thing.
We just can't pull that thing around.
That's it, right?
Oh yeah. Oh, I guess it's not electricity, is it?
It's gas, ya monkey.
We're not supposed to use that either.
Oh yeah, they're not really supposed to use gas.
It's allowed because it's
This is not allowed.
That is against the Army law.
Silly goose.
I was actually almost through like
Oh, it's a bass. That's cool. You have a big bass, sir.
That's it.
Is
Don't go in the hole.
that the big one?
no.
It's probably good. Go to deeper water for the big one. There you go, Chief. What do you got? Bass?
think it's a good.
Oh, it's a black crappie. Yeah, I want to knock this off my fish brain list.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Joey, don't you?
Oh,
It's
nice.
a jumper.
Oh, it's a jumpy boy.
Huge one. Oh, no. Even bigger than the
That's
brown.
almost bait size.
Even
Look at
bigger.
that. It's a tank.
It's even bigger than the last
That
one.
thing is huge. We need to get some measurements on that boy, especially girth. That thing is girthy. It's
Alright, you
thick.
guys cross
Probably
them
fit
up
my
the
whole
front?
leg.
That
Probably
is
put my whole
thick,
hand in
man.
Okay, boys.
Should have seen the splash that thing made.
Do you guys want to go across them up the
Legendary.
pines or no?
Yeah, let's head to the
We'll
pines.
catch a fish. You really want to bail on this spot?
Jack, I'll be expecting you to sing this at lunch next year.
This is looking pretty nice right here.
Oh yeah. Look at that giant crib right there.
Oh,
See it?
that's a huge one.
Oh, I'm getting destroyed, Jack. Oh, it's a bird! You stupid bird!
Bird. I was like, what?
If it was a bird, that'd be impressive. I kind of want to catch a bird, but I kind of don't.
No.
Because
I've seen people catch a goose before, which was bad.
a
Let's just
goose.
say it didn't end too well.